Yes then, welcome. I need to move this really quickly. How's it going, guys? Who's here? Says we've got 10 people here. Who we got? Duncan. What? Hi Duncan. How's it going, mate? Yeah, drop a like, guys. Drop a like on it. Drop a like on this stream. Yeah, I'm just gonna go live for an hour whilst I've got a free hour to stream. Let me just share the link to everybody in the chat. Yeah, let me know if you got any questions too. If you got any questions, stick it in the comments and I'll be able to answer it for you. Naz, how's it going? Callum, how's it going? Welcome back, Cal. Yeah, Naz, Callum, Naz, how's your week been? Yeah, good evening, Duncan, mate. Let me know how the audio is too. I'll start breaking gold down in maybe 2 or 3 minutes. But it's interesting, I'm going to look for some longs on gold. We've got a lot of liquidity sitting above market, which is good. Nice, we've got 13 people there now. I'll start breaking this down in a second. Been good, thanks, mate. Yeah, me too. We took a little scalp before on the 15-minute here. Took a little scalp in the community from here upwards. 27 ticks it pushed, not much, but like I say, there's a lot more opportunity now, and this is gold's in a better position here than it was like 2 or 3 hours ago here. But yeah, good for the US session anyway. Naz currently doing an FTMO challenge with FTMO, nice. 10k challenge, good stuff, man. All the best. Let's try and catch a little position. Like I say, I'm only going on live for an hour. What time are we at? We're at 12:15 UK time, so I'll be live for like an hour and a half, and then, yeah. I'll just stay active in the community if anybody is still trading. All good, mate. Getting funded, back up to scratch. Gonna walk away soon. Nearly hit my daily profit. Good stuff, Callum. Are you with Top Step, Callum? Who are you with, mate? I need to go get my phone really quickly. Give us 30 seconds. Put that on charge really quickly. Nice. Right, it's just so I can get the chat up here as well. But yeah, guys, welcome to the stream. In a lot of comments. Apex, mate. Apex. I looked at Apex, but the problem with Apex, Callum, is that drawdown rule. I don't like the drawdown rule at all. Like with Top Step, it's end of day drawdown. With Top Step, it's end of day drawdown. With it's trailing drawdown with Apex. That's the problem that you've got there. But yeah, I'll start breaking charts down in a second, guys. Nothing's happening too much just yet. I am waiting for a closure to go long, because we have got. Anyway, I'll break that down in a second. We've got 8 minutes until this 30 closes. My internet better not start playing up here. I hope my internet don't play up now. What is happening? Yeah, I hope this internet doesn't start messing around now with me. Hey, Wes, how's it going, mate? Hi, yeah, welcome. Good turnout so far, guys. Got a good amount of people here. Hey, the trailing drawdown kills me. Need to take profits all the time. I like to leave some run. Yeah, 100%, mate. It's definitely better to leave a little runner, especially when you've, especially when you want to leave little runners going into like break even and stuff. It definitely helps. We'll look at Top Step soon though. Yeah, good stuff, Callum. Have a look at Top Step. They're great. I've got a couple of accounts with them, 2 or 3 accounts. Well, 3 accounts with them. Yeah, so what am I seeing on gold? Let's break it down. Daily time frame. One second, let me just check this. It says my internet's poor. I'm not sure why. Yesterday it was good. It's annoying. All right, now it's excellent. Right, excellent connection now. All good. Yes, let me just go through these comments really quickly, guys, and I'll answer these questions, and then I'll start breaking gold down. Like I say, I'm waiting on a closure on gold in order to take it long. Good day so far. Took another one of your setups and Naz for a quick 30 ticks. Wes, good stuff, bro. If you entered my trade, perfect. Yeah, I took half risk at 25 ticks, so I profited like 12 ticks, which is decent. Stream health is healthy. Okay, at least the stream's back on. I was a bit worried then. I didn't want my stream health to go down, but all good. It's annoying when connection's bad. It's so annoying. Anyway, we'll break gold down now. I don't know what is going on with this. Guys, will you let me know how the connection is on your end? How is the connection? Is it good, bad? Can you hear me clearly? Is my camera and the visual on my trading view all good? Please let me know. Naz is my go-to, Wes. Only look at gold now and again. Anyway, gold, what I'm seeing. Quick look at the 4 hourly. It's perfect. A4K, thank you. It's perfect. Internet is genuinely poor in third world countries. Where's no internet? Internet in Vietnam better than in the UK. 100%. Sound Wes. Yeah, definitely. My internet. I've got really good internet in the UK. Really good internet in the UK, but I've seen the better internet here. Like better upload and download speeds, definitely. But sometimes it can be hit and miss in Vietnam. Yeah, solid on this side, perfect. All right, yeah, I'll start breaking it down now then. I just want to double check. Right, what am I seeing? Looking at the 4 hourly, guys, you can see that the 4 hourly has created a double top here. Look, you've got liquidity, liquidity, not been taken. None of these highs have been taken on gold. And what you'll start to see now. Oh no, the Wi-Fi is good. My phone, I just wanted to check my phone. All good, yeah, all good. Yeah, and what you're going to start to see is you're going to start to see a lot of retail traders pushing shorts in the market, with the stops on here. They're seeing these red candles, guys, like so, this H4 red candle. They're going to start loading up shorts. And what you're going to see above this level, where you've got these highs here and these highs here, you're going to see a liquidity pool start forming. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be looking for price to continue into these highs. Why am I going to look for price to continue into these highs? Because if retail look for price to continue into these highs, because if retail traders have their stop on these highs and these highs, these highs and these highs, this is where the liquidity is sitting in the market. You know, you need to understand that where liquidity is sitting is where all the retail traders have their stop loss, and we trade into their stop loss. So what will I be looking for in order to try and take this higher? Well, the first thing is a pullback. And we're definitely starting to see the pullback take place. Look, gold's pulled back since them highs of around 120 ticks, which is perfect. And we're starting to come into some levels that I had prior. For example, here at 26.98. So for me, if gold can actually close below 26.97, 26.98, I do want to start looking for some shorts. I do want to start looking for some shorts on gold, because you can see that price, he's using this level as both resistance, and now support. So if we can get below this level, I'm going to be looking to take shorts into these lows as first targets. So we've got 26, how many ticks is that into first targets from the range close? You've got like 50 ticks into them short range close, into that short liquidity to the downside. 25 people here, welcome guys. I'll check comments in a minute. But yeah, looking at this level, perfect level to try and short off if we do get that close below. You can see we are reacting as support and resistance when it decides to load. Mm, mm, mm. Here, look at the hourly guys. We are trying to now, if you look at the 15 really quickly, you can see that it's using this level as support and resistance, which is good. What I'm going to be looking for, I'm going to be looking for price to either close below. If we close below 26.98, I'll be looking for the shorts down. Okay. Yeah, it's... But yeah, this level, 26.93, you can see that this 15-minute candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 times failed to close below, now failing to close below again. If we can actually get below there, I think that gold's got that clearance to into these liquidity lows and then finally into this double bottom here. You know, you've got a beautiful double bottom here at 26.83, where price could definitely get a close below. So that's what I'm going to be looking at there. Oh, it is. Yeah. It's annoying. Stream's cutting out. Why is this internet so annoying? The stream's current bitrate. It's saying good connection now. I'm not sure why the stream connection's so bad right now. It was perfect yesterday. One sec. Is it better now? One sec. We'll get it sorted, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, it should be okay now. Guys, can you just let me know if it's okay or not? The stream connection should be fine. Can I borrow your phone? Totally fine my side, as it was. Nice. But yeah, anyway, on gold, if we get below this level, 26.98, I'm going to be looking to short down into this liquidity and this liquidity. And in terms of longs, if price can get above 2700 again, I'm going to be looking to go long again. So if we get back above this level where you've got recent resistance, support, and resistance here, I'm going to be looking to go long. Okay? So that's the plan for me today. Let's see what gold wants to do here. Yeah, I'm not sure why the connection's so bad today. It was great yesterday. Really, really good. But yeah, we'll see anyway. We'll just see how it goes. It's fine now. Good. If it's good now, I'm happy. I'll just check on my phone really quickly. Yeah, it seems all good. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I'm not 100% sure why stream keeps cutting out. Hope it gets better now, yeah. If this 15 or 30 can close above this level, perfect. Vishal, www, gang, yeah, let's get it. Let's get it, Vishal. Restart YouTube, then go back on if it keeps dropping out. Yeah, maybe try restarting YouTube, guys. But yeah, we've got 17 people here anyway. Not many people have left from it. People start leaving, I'll be a bit a bit annoyed. But yeah, it seems fine now. The connection seems good now. Didn't have our own stream the other day in the same apartment for maybe 2 hours, and it was perfect. No connection problems at all. So we'll see anyway. Hopefully we can keep it up. But yeah, if we get a close back above 2700, I'm going to be looking for them longs. Okay. Back above 2700, I'll look for the longs. Gold seems very bullish. Yeah, it does, mate. You can see 2700 as well. Resistance, support, acting as resistance again. If it gets back above 2700, then yeah, you've got that clearance higher for sure. Did that last 15 candle take? No, it's created a double bottom, but if it gets above the level, I won't be too bothered. Because we have taken some liquidity. Let me just bang. This is the range that I'm using for now. 2698 to 2700. It's a 20-tick range. I'm just gonna quickly put it in the Discord. Yeah, I'd like this. I'd really like this 15 or 30 to get above. Really like this 15 or 30. If this 30 or 15 can get above this level, then I think you've got continuation long players there. Yeah, I'd like this. But yeah, this is the range I'm playing for now. Anybody who's wondering, it's 2798 to 2700, okay? This range. Yeah, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question as well. I'll get it answered for you. Yeah, it seems alright now, the connection anyway. We've got 30 people here, nice. Welcome all. 30 people in. That's why I want the connection to be good. If the connection's good and we've got this many people in, it's annoying. Maybe the thing about being in Vietnam is the connection's always poor. We'll see. Yeah, I've like I said, I've disconnected my phone from the internet too, just to make it quicker. If the internet's not quicker after that, I don't know. But yeah, this is the range we're playing with. For now, anyway. How long you in Vietnam for, mate? I don't know. I'll just play it month by month. Probably for a couple. You've been before, yeah. Yeah, I've been to Vietnam 2 times before I've been here. So this is my 3rd time I've been. Yeah, it's great. It's good. It's good. Just hopefully the connection can sort itself out. I hope it can. Like I said, please drop a comment now. Is the connection all good on everyone's end? Is it all good? Let me know. Just keep me updated on it, please, if you can. Connection is perfect for me in Thailand, mate. All good from the UK, Gary. Nice one, mate. We'll have to add it to my list, 100%. Oh, Matt and Gary, thanks for updating me how the connection is. I'm happy it's all good for everyone now. Might have just been a little bit at the start of the stream cutting out. I know it were cutting out because I could hear it on my phone, but I think it's sorted itself out now, which is great. Yeah, definitely, Naz. Add it to your list 100%. Vietnam's great. I think Matt's been to Matt Flying Fellow's been to Vietnam a few times as well. He's been everywhere. Like, well, he's been everywhere. Matt, what do you think to Vietnam? Bam, bam, bam. Oh, here we go. A bit of volume now, which is good. Look at this. Liquidity, the liquidity is still the same. The liquidity targets are still the same for me. It's the H4 high that we've got now, because that H4 high, if you look to the left here, you've got a double top here, but it also makes it a triple top. So you've got liquidity high, double top, and now this has made a triple top. So this will get smashed, I think, today. This will get smashed today. I do need to check. Guys, drop a like, please. If you haven't, please drop a like on the video. We've got 13 now. Nice one. 13. Let's have a look at the comments really quickly. Yeah, I went for a month last year and loved it. Travelled north and south. And did the Ha Giang Loop north, which is a must. Yeah, Ha Giang Loop, I've heard it's good. You're on a motorbike. I can't personally take 3 or 4 days off at the moment. I'm way too busy. Like, to do the Ha Giang Loop, you need to have that time off. Yeah, you can do it at the weekend, but at the moment I'm still busy at the weekends, like doing calls and stuff. There's just no way I can take 3 days off. I'd love to do it though. One day when I can, one time when I can actually take that time off, I'll definitely do it 100%. I've just tried altering the stream bitrate as well, see if that helps. Hopefully that can do something. Bam. 15 minutes looking really good, guys. The problem that you've got, it'd have to be a half risk trade because you've got a double bottom here. But realistically, if I want to go long now, I want to get back above 27.03 because we're coming into that level now. If we get back above 27.03, I'm going to be happy to long this full risk. Okay? Very happy. Ooh, 15 here. Yeah, 4 days, mate, plus travelling and to and from Hanoi, you'd probably need 5 days to be safe. But when you have the time, it's future, maybe. Yeah, 100%, Matt, definitely. I'll definitely look at doing that. It looks good. I know a few of my mates have done it as well. It looks good. I just need that time. Kyle, not yet, mate. Just waiting. Waiting for the closure in 30 seconds. Guys, Duncan's just put audio no good. Can't hear anything. Can someone please clarify if that's correct or not? I don't know why it's been... If it is, I don't know why. Hopefully it's not. Naz, it's all good for you. Cheers, Naz. Thanks for helping. I need to add... Do you know what I'm going to do? I might add some moderators in YouTube soon. So some people can be mods if you want. Like, so you can kick people. I just need to find some good people to do it. So I do get some people who need... Yeah, mine works fine. Nice one, Naz. Cheers, mate. Yeah, so half wrist longs, if we get the bottom wick, half wrist longs here would be nice. You know, you've got a decent 20-30 tick stop loss there into them highs. I just like to say I am maybe 16 ticks up for the day. So I'm not going to rush into anything, but if this can flip and break its own high, I do think we're going to go long. I do need a bottom wick to be created, more than what we've got here though. If we can bottom wick another 3 or 4 ticks, then yeah, I'll put this in. So yeah. Yeah, Duncan, maybe try restarting your app. But guys, I'm very interested in longs now. Very interested. If we miss this long and it pushes up without us, just simply wait for confirmation. Simply wait for confirmation and get the trade then, okay? But this is the only level that I'm using for now, okay? You've got buys above this level, which we're breaking above, and you've got sells below 2,700 now. Sells below 2,700 would be perfect. 2,700 sells back into this double bottom here. You've got perfect double bottom to take sells, and as soon as price comes lower, you've got another double bottom here. So gold's created 2 double bottoms now. So sells could be really nice on that front. Sorted, nice one, Duncan. Cheers, mate. But yeah, anybody who did buy, now you'd be break even. After that, you'd be break even. You've pushed like 15 ticks. You'd be break even because this is risky longs going into news as well. So that'd be the entry. Personally, I haven't took it yet because I'm just going to wait for that confirmation now. Didn't give me enough of a bottom wick. I wanted to bottom wick at least into this level here. But if you did take it, go break even and let me know. I'll tell you what I am going to do. I am going to have a look at my bitrate settings on my stream. Duncan sent you a message on Telegram, have you? I think I've messaged you back, mate. Or have I not messaged you back? Yeah, Duncan, I've sent you a message back. Please have a look. I did send you a message back, mate. Yeah, I replied to you. Missed my breakout buy on the 1 minute, only targeting 20 ticks and it hit TP. Yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation now. I'd look for more buys if we get back above 27.05. So more impulse entries are valid if we close above 27.05, but only impulse entries if we do get above that. For now, let me just say, I just need to update the community as well, guys. Give me 30 seconds. More impulse entries are valid above, what is that? More impulse entries are valid above 27.05. 27.05. Looking for confirmation longs. No though. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. This is the range for now. I'm only selling below 2,700. I'm not looking to buy above, I'm not looking to sell at all until we get below 2,700 at least. Okay, at least. And that's the problem now. You can't look to buy. The impulse entry was here, valid. Impulse entry was valid. The only reason I couldn't take this impulse entry is because it shot straight back up. Now if you look to buy the break of the high, you've got like a 30 tick stop loss. So it's not valid now. So you need to wait for confirmation to go long. So this is the plan. Closures back below 2700, I'm looking to sell into all this liquidity below. Breaks above 2705, I'll look to long into the H4 liquidity above. Anything in between here is confirmation, half risk. Okay. What do you think of a buy stop above the current candle high, Vishal? Yeah, I've just gone over that, mate. Not for me. Because if you look to get a buy stop on here, you first look what you're running into. You're literally running into 2705 level, which price could react from and continue down. That's not good enough for me. And also you've got 5 tick first target and a 25 tick stop loss. There's no chance I'm doing that. There's zero chance I'm doing that. So best thing to do is wait for that confirmation to get half risk longs, or wait for the impulse entry above 2705, okay? Okay, thanks, makes sense. Yeah, nice one, Vishal. Good stuff, Vishal. Yeah, I'd take 5-minute confirmation, but I'd have to be break even. I'd take 5-minute confirmation for sure. I'd have to be break even at this level. Definitely. I wouldn't be full risking. I won't be full risking at all within this range. Here we go. Here we go, gold. Yeah, if this 15 closes above 2705, then I've got impulse entries above 2705. Simple as that. Because we missed the impulse entry on the 2700 break, I can't look to have the next impulse entry before we break above 2705. So if we break above 2705, impulse entries are valid. Before that, half risk confirmation is the only way. Wow. If I keep checking my phone, guys, it's because I'm just checking the stream health. I want to make sure the stream's up and running good. Nice one for likes, guys. Yeah, drop a like. Helps. But yeah, this is the range I'm playing for now. What time is it? It's 12:53 London. After. What's the 5 minutes saying? 5-minute confirmation would be really nice. 5-minute confirmation would be really nice here. 15 is pulling back a little bit, but it's bound to get choppy within here. Definitely, it's bound to get choppy in here. When's news? We've got news at 1:30, 2:45 and 1:30. So you've got CAD news at 1:30, red news, but you've also got some news at 12:40 that's just happened on Swiss. I don't really look at Swiss news or either USD or pound. CAD doesn't really move the market. So in the session that I'm trading on stream, we're not going to have that much news. So don't worry about it too much. But yeah, in terms of what I'm looking for, and this is how it goes. Anything, if we get back above 27.05, I'm looking for full risk longs into the liquidity above, which is this triple top here. If we get below 2700, below 2700 level here, I'm going to be looking for them full risk shorts down into that double bottom, into these lows here, and then into this double bottom here too, okay? So that's what I'm looking at in terms of shorts if we get below 2700. Right now, I'm looking for confirmation longs on the 5, 15. If we get it, first targets will be this level and then seeing if it can continue higher, okay? Hope that makes sense. Like I say, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. Okay? Any question at all, let me know. But yeah, good turnout today. Good turnout. We've got 20 people here still. Gold pulling back. It's been super choppy this week. And the problem that you've got this week is that there's been, and I mentioned this to the people in the group, the community before, I said, when you've got war news on gold, you're going to have more no trading days because gold ranges a lot more. And gold doesn't give you the entries as much as you'd want it to, okay? Gold doesn't give you the entries that you want it to because it's very volatile. It doesn't give you the bottom wicks. It gives you the ranges. Like yesterday, look at the range yesterday. You had this all day yesterday. There was no trading. And then as soon as Asia broke out, as soon as London, you had no trading in Asia. And then as soon as London broke out, there you go, you're trading all this on the way up. And it was the same yesterday. Look at yesterday. You've got your range from, I'm going to look at the 30 because it was a big range yesterday. Let me just have a look. Look at the 30 minute range. That should, look at the range yesterday. You've got range here, breakout, then nothing. And then you've got range here. Look, it broke out and then nothing. And then all day it ranged. I did not take a trade yesterday. Look, range, range, range from 8:30 London or 8 o'clock London all the way till midnight. All the way till midnight, there was no trading because it was just ranging, ranging, ranging. And as soon as Asia broke out, look, as soon as Asia broke out, the move happened. And that's just unlucky. You know, we waited all day for a position, nothing happened because, and then in Asia session, bang, flew up. And today we took one position today because we've had the setup and we've had the momentum there, which is great. But, you know, when we came onto the charts, here, price was just in a range with no clear targets. And that's what happens on gold sometimes. Cheers for the subscriber, whoever just subscribed, nice one. Here we go, this 5 minutes looking nice. 5 minutes looking good. Oh yeah, giveaway at 500 too, guys. 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed and you can win. We need 100 people, 130. And then, well, 120, and then I'll be giving it away. So make sure you subscribe so you can win. Maybe two account. It's gonna be 2 months for free access. 2 monthly access for free in the Discord community. So it's worth like £60. £60. And if you're already in the community, you can still win. You'll just get that refunded month back in the community. So when your payment comes out, I'll just refund you. That's if you win and you're in the community. If you're not in the community, it would just be added for a month, and then if you want to join after that, you'll have to pay after that. Let's have a look at Naz. Would you say Topstep is better prop firm than FTMO, Joe? No, they're both very reliable prop firms. I'd say FTMO and Topstep are definitely my two top. I'd say it's, for me personally, I've had more payouts with Topstep. I've had like over 10 payouts with Topstep. So I'd say Topstep then FTMO. The only reason I'm putting FTMO second is because FX, they're an FX prop firm, and FTMO, and with FX, you've got a lot more regulation. So if I were going to say one that's going to be more trusted long term, it's going to be Topstep. They've been around as long as anybody, over 12 years. And in terms of FX regulations, it's crazy right now. So be careful with any FX prop firm. And then I'd probably say after FTMO, Topstep, Alpha. So I'd say Topstep, Alpha, and then Topstep, FTMO, and then Alpha, okay? But yeah, most of these ones that we use are good. Look at this hourly. Let's have a look at this 15 as well. Yeah, a lot of volatility on gold right now. To be fair, I'd love for price to close below 2700. I get short. I'll get short into this double bottom, and then I'll take off most of my position and just leave a runner. Because I think if we can close below some of these levels, we're going to see this double bottom taken here. So that's what I'd like to. I'd love to get into a short position on this 15 closure and see if I can take this lower. I need to get my charger for my laptop in a second. Sweet, thanks mate. No worries, Naz, bro. Oh, one sec. I did not mean to put it in there. I need to put it in the community. Yeah, no worries, Naz. Anytime. If anyone's got any questions at all, like Naz just had, then just let me know. But this 15. If this 15 closes bearish, then perfect. Below this level, maybe like 26.99, 26.98. I'm shorting down into these lows here. Okay. Nice work. But yeah, look at this level here, 2700, beautiful resistance, support, resistance now. Get below, then it's going to fly down, I think. But we have got news soon, so be careful about that. Let me just put my charger in for my laptop. We've got 10 minutes for this 15 to close. 23 people now. Nice. 23 people here. If you got any questions, guys, drop a question in the comments. I'll get to you. I know a few people will have questions. It doesn't matter what it is. Just ask. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, Duncan, I did DM you. Yeah, Duncan, I've just had a look. You have seen it now. Good stuff, mate. This 15 is very interesting to me. Gets below this level, then I think it's clear to this double bottom, which, let's say it closes bearish here. You've got 20 ticks into the double bottom, and then into these lows 50, and then into overall targets 150 ticks, which could be nice. Really good. Back above this level here, then I'd be inclined to take longs, possibly at half risk because it is an overall range, but we'll see. How long have we been on now? We've been on for an hour, 50 minutes, 52 minutes. Yeah, still waiting to take a position, but patience will pay. 8 minutes on this 15 candle. Yeah, I can't take 5-minute entries, even though I'd like to, I can't. I can only take 5-minute entries when the 15, 30 or hourly closes above or below my range. Yeah, the zero, you can never, for me, main rule is you can never look on the 5-minute time frame. You can only look on the 5-minute time frame when you've seen your 15, 30 closure, okay? And we are about to close here in 8 minutes, but could whip this double bottom out. Yeah, I'd like shorts because it's confirmed and brought below. You know, that's your liquidity. This will be your closure. I'll take the next candle down into these lows and then into these lows. Simple. Also, I'll be on TikTok live next week as well because I've just got my access back. They didn't give me access because they don't like traders on TikTok. But now I've got my access back. I'll be back on live TikTok next week. Maybe only for like 1 or 2 sessions, but I do like to stay on YouTube. It's way better, way cleaner, way easier to see. Do people prefer TikTok or YouTube? Let me know. Guys, comment if you prefer YouTube or TikTok. But yeah, I'm happy the stream internet connection's good now. $15-minute, looking good. Skate, welcome Skate. Hey, here we go, we've got many people here now. Skate, Andrew, nice one. Naz, YouTube better, YouTube. Yeah, nice one, guys. Okay, we'll stick to you. I stick to YouTube daily anyway. I normally just go on TikTok for like 20-30 minutes for like, I don't know, see if they ban me or not. They love banning traders on there. Seriously, the amount of people who, like, amount of traders who get banned on there just because they go live, it's crazy. Can't do much about it as well because their customer support's crazy bad. Like, it's so bad. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 15 to close. If this 15 closes like so, you've got 20 ticks to first targets, and then I'll be looking to take it lower into some lows. I'll be definitely going break even at this double bottom though, 100%. I'd like a top wick and then break even down into there. No Ramage, how's it going? Yeah, lots of scammers, that's why, and it's crazy because I don't scam. I'm not here like selling fake courses or getting you to join my signals group. I don't even supply signals. I share my trades in my group that I'm taking. They're not signals. People, and most of the people in the community, they see the position at the same time I see it. So if I see a 15-minute impulse entry, they're already seeing the same thing. And that's what happens when you learn the strategy. You just see the same things that I see. And that's why we do so well. Oh, another person passed the 50k today as well. It's like I think over 500k in funding in the last 2 weeks. We've got about 500k in funded over the last 2 weeks, maybe 10 accounts passed, which is great. I think 100k and 8 50ks, maybe that's on 9 passes. I'll probably keep data on how many people pass and how much we get in funding, and do it from month to month. Say if we get 1 million or 1.5 million in funding each month, it'd be crazy, something like that. But this double bottom's about to get taken now. If we close below the double bottom, I'm still going to take shorts. If we close below. But yeah, the results speak for themselves. The results do speak for themselves, 100%. Look at the record on YouTube. Look at the record in the community. Look how many people are passing. Like, they're not following me. They're doing it themselves. Yeah, someone. We've had 150k. We had 3 accounts passed just today. A guy, Chris, got 100k, and there's another 50k that's been passed, which is good. I need to start taking more challenges, I think. I don't take enough challenges. I've got 3 accounts, expresses. I need to take a couple more. Maybe 150k as I start with now. Bam, ba-dum. Dun, dun. Ooh, this is interesting to me. If this can top wick, this next 15 can top wick, I'm going to be looking to sell, and it'd be down into this triple bottom, this new created triple bottom, which is really nice. I don't care if it's wicky. I'm going to be taking this down. Let's see if we can top wick. Yeah, perfect. If we can top wick on this next 15, you know, push up like, how many pips would that be? Let's say we push up like 10, 15 ticks. I'll be taking shorts down at half risk into these lows. You know, you've got like 25, 30 ticks there. Let's see if we can catch a position. We've got 20 seconds here. I'd like a top wick and then a continuation down. I'd like a little bit of room to be going break even though. We've only got 8 ticks there. I'd go break even into these lows. That'd be the plan. Hopefully it pushes up straight away. Don't push down, Goldie. Of course. Of course. See, I wanted this bottom wick, but I wanted it here. And then I'd be looking for short now. So annoying. What's that flip there? If it can push up a little bit, 8 ticks, I'll get in there. And I'll try and take this down. Into these lows. I need it to push up a little bit more though. This stop loss for me is too small. Give it like here and then I'll be right. But yeah, I'm going to be looking for shorts in a second. Even if you execute market here, gold will come down into that newly created triple bottom. You know, if you market executing, if I'm marking executing there, I'm not going to do it yet, obviously. But let's see what that'll be. Flip down into there, and as soon as you hit that double bottom, you can go break even. But it is only like 8 ticks. It's not really worth it. What's that? If that's like 10 less than, yeah, guys, I'm not even going to put this in. I'm just going to wait for a closure below here. I'd love to go short. I'd love to go short from like here with TP down into there. What's that? 12 ticks first target. You know, you can get you a decent stop in there as well. Then looking for it to price to continue down. That'd have been a beautiful trade. We've got 35 people. Well, it says 35 people here. Nice one, guys. Yeah, lots of scammers on TikTok. Yeah, definitely. I'm personally not in any positions yet. Don't worry, I'm not in any positions. But I am very interested to see if price can continue down into all these lows here. So if price can give me that 5-minute confirmation, I'll be taking shorts. Yeah, because there's no impulse entry, I just need to wait for confirmation. 5-minute confirmation would be great. 15-minute close bearish. 2. Look at this price action, guys. You can tell there's news around the corner, can't you? Yeah, any 5-minute confirmation, I'm going to be looking to take this down. Yeah, so below the level we've got here at below this level, I'm going to be looking for 5-minute confirmation shorts, okay? We've had the closure on the 15. If we get that confirmation short, I'm going to be looking to set this down. I'll be on the flip after grabbing previous 5 highs now. Yeah, that's also potential. You could also 5-minute flip of the body or the low skate. For me, what you're going to get here, if you take the flip of the body or the flip of the low, price could easily just wick this double bottom and then take you out. Or this triple bottom and take you out. Wow, 40 people here. Great. I think price could flip down, but I just need to wait for this closure here. Let me just wait for this closure, see what happens. Yeah, drop a like, guys. We've got 35 people here. Drop a like. Get it up to 20. Get it up to 20. If everyone does it here, then perfect. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 5 to close now. Top wick. I'm going to be looking to go down. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't be going short on the flip of this candle or the flip of the candle low, just because price could just push down, wick it, and then continue higher. And for me, if you're taking it there, you've only got like 10 ticks into first targets. So no, not for me, unfortunately. Best thing to do is wait for these candle highs to get taken, let it close bearish, and then take it. But for now, you need to wait for that bearish close because it's not there. Preempting that this is going to flip down is the worst thing that you can do. But if it works for you, it's absolutely fine. But for me, I've found that waiting for the actual close, like now, is way better than preempting the flip down. Because gold could easily, like if you're getting in short, let's just say we entered short on the flip here. If you get in short here with your stops on this high, you need to your first target's a negative RR, which for starters, 24 ticks to get 12 first target ain't good. Secondly, if you come into here, you whipsaw these lows, you're going to be getting taken out, and it takes them lows anyway. But I do think, like I said, I do think it's going to take these lows, but what I'd want is confirmation around here to then go down. It's just a waiting game for that. So much volume right now, guys. It has to confirm below this level as well. Has to confirm below this level. You've got resistance, resistance, resistance. Now acting as resistance. You need to stay below that and confirm below it. But if you wanted a longer term play on gold, for me, a longer term play would be shorts after breaking these lows, stops above the highs, looking for it to come into this double bottom. That'd be decent. I think once it breaks these lows, price could collapse. But I'd like some 5-minute highs to get taken. Take some 5-minute highs, close bearish, and we can go short. But if this 5-minute closes bearish, I'll take the short on the next. Just want this 5 to close bearish now. So I do think these lows will get taken. Anybody jumping in too early here, stops below here, you know, they're in drawdown. So understanding where their stops are is great. But yeah, let's see. What would first targets be there? That's a little bit better. You've got like 13, 14 ticks there. Break even, then let it collapse more down. Anyway, 1 minute until this closes. Super choppy session though. Look at this chop. Look at this chop here. Chop all session here. From literally you chopped on the 5-minute from 11:25 to 12. So like for a full hour you just chopped about. And that's what you get when gold's got a lot of news. Look at it, it's gonna flip down now. Here we go. All them lows have been taken. Potentially going to enter in 5 minutes on this 15. What's that push down into there? 30 ticks, nice. Will that be, yeah, watching this 30 closure. Oh, nice. Nice push there. Took a bit of time, but you got it. Took a bit of time, but you definitely got the push. Look at that. It's actually finally woken up as gold. Look at this. You've had nothing for the past 2 hours, and then there, you've got nothing. Like, even here, you had nothing for like 11 to 2 hours there. What would that short be there? 20 ticks. I'm going to look to take the next 15. You know, liquidity grab, 2 candle closure. Close below this level. Perfect. Yeah, let's have a look now. Got some liquidity sitting here to take too. So if we can close bearish like we are doing now, I'm going to be looking to take shorts. Especially now we've closed below this liquidity point here. If we close below it, then that's confirmed movement to confirmed direction. $150 people tuned into the stream overall. But yeah, I'll stay on for another 10, 15, 20 minutes, guys, and then I'll be done. Just going to see if this can top wick. If it takes this liquidity before giving me the entry to the downside, I'm not going to be staying on because I'm just going to be looking for longs then. The only way I'd look to then short gold is if we created a range and closed below it. But this is the last range that I've got for gold shorts. If it doesn't give me the entry on this closure in 3 minutes and it takes this liquidity, then I'm not going to be looking to short gold because there's no liquidity on gold shorts up here. Down here there is, and that would happen when we range and close again. Okay? If that makes sense, guys. Skate, you took a little bit of profit there. Nice work. I just couldn't enter the position, unfortunately. It is what it is, though. Oh, straight down. Look at that. Flew down. Crazy moves here. Let's have a look anyway. Maybe we can get some pullback shorts, depending on how this 15 closes. 30 as well. It's a 30 closure too. So, yeah, nice. Owl is not closed though. Bro, went to close 4 to 5 micros at 35 and pressed sell. Haha, rookie had a flatten it, then it dumped. Oh, so you made more then. 35 ticks, you'd have taken profits. You're up here, weren't you? So 35. Yeah, you made more. You're on 55 tick profit now. Decent. Are you on Express still, Skate? Are you building them Expresses up? Good stuff, bro. Great execution. And this is what I say to everybody in the community as well. Like, I'm not looking. I didn't see longs here, but Skate saw longs here because he saw valid shorts. Like, he executed on what he saw, and he saw that profit at like 30 ticks. People have different levels slightly, and for him, it might have closed through his level. For me, it didn't, so I couldn't take it. Just execute what you see and then study what happened after. There's no need to be worrying about it until it's actually happened. Because in this case, Skate won and I didn't even take the position. I took a win up here. I took a 20, what did I take? I took like 25 ticks up here, long, 25 tick win up here. Skate probably didn't. I don't know if he did or not. But other people might not have done, but I did. So, it is what it is. 5 minutes absolutely flying down there. 4 hourly flipping too, bearish. Gold's way well too choppy, yeah, right. Ooh, beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful entry that. Is that Ben? Nice work. I'm just gonna ask him, did he take it? Wow, what a position. Yeah, some guy in the community, Ben, took a short from here down. He's currently up about 72 ticks. His range was a little bit higher, so he could enter, but for me it weren't. His range was at here, close below his range, which is nice. For me it didn't. And that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying to everybody who's here too. Like, my range for shorts, Ben's range for shorts, let me just reverse back here. Ben's range for shorts was here. Okay? He closed below, he can take the next flip down, and it worked out. But for me, my range was a bit lower, so I couldn't take it. It was sitting on my range, unlike Ben's, which closed below and he took the short. But yeah, what a trade that is. Yeah, Express bro, good stuff, Skate. I'm currently trading my Expresses now. Skate, what do you think to Top Step's new announcement yesterday? What do you think to it? I'm almost on a live funded account as well. I've got like 29 days of 200. So I don't know what that's going to mean for me. I'm almost on a fully live account with Top Step, which is good. Like, it's such a good thing to have because I can withdraw whenever I want, which is great. I can't wait for that. I don't know what it has in store for me though. I really don't know what to make of it. Is it a good thing for me or is it a bad thing? Because I'm almost on live funded, fully live funded account, actual properly live funds. Like, it's not, most people who are on trading accounts, who get past funded accounts, they're on demo funds still. Like, everyone knows, everyone's aware of that now. But I'm actually going on to, well, in 200 day, I'll be going on to a fully funded live account with real money, which is bonkers. Didn't even read the email, just saw something about the live funded. Yes, Skate. So what they're doing now is if you're trading a live funded, you can't take combines, because they want you to just stay on live. They don't want you to take any more combines. So if you get 100k live, you can't get any more expresses because they want you to focus just on the live funded. The only way you can get back onto Express is if you fail the live. If you fail the live and close the live account, then you can start building your Expresses up, which to me I don't think it's a bad thing, because if you have Expresses on the go and live fundeds on the go at the same time, you know, you're going to be so muddled up, and if you've got combines to take at the same time, you're not going to be trading them all the best. You're not going to be trading them the best. So if you've just got live, if you stick to the live funded until you fail it, I don't think it's a bad thing. But yeah, for me on gold, I'll update everyone what I'm seeing in a second. But I am gonna probably like 10 more minutes, see if I can catch a short. If not, I'll be getting off stream in about 10 minutes. But I'd like to long if we got back above 26.98 now. 26.98 or maybe even 26.700. 2700, I'll probably do it. Yeah, for me, gold's just sold off, and the only way I'd look for sells on gold now is if we ranged now. If we range now, break back below low, yeah, I'll look to sell down into this double bottom. Perfect. But now you just have to wait for that range to form. Yeah, it makes sense. So there's no point in trying to take 50k like them useless. You already have max amount of XAF. Yeah, 100%. People take so many combines and pass like 15 and they've got all these to look back on. It's good, but you're not trading them like you should be doing if you're a proper trader. you know what I mean? So I think they're just trying to eliminate that. Yeah, if you got 50k live, you don't need to be trading all these max. Yeah, exactly. Hopefully I can get that fully live account soon. Let me check my emails. I did have a payout on the way too. I did have a payout on the way. Look at XRP. XRP's flying. Where's XRP on Binance? Oh, it's had a bit of a dip actually. Yeah, I sold out. Yeah, good job. I sold like 50%, well, 20% here at 1.45. So if it pulls back now, I'll be so happy. If we can get that pull back down into, say, possibly down into here, into these levels, 0.6, 0.5, I'll buy more. I'll buy my 20% back, which is good. Just keep buying that percentage back. Good luck, man. I'm a long way from the 200 days. Really? Have you taken some withdrawals though, mate, or not? Are you in the building phase, or have you taken some withdrawals? But yeah, daily on XRPs flew into some highs. Yeah, gold. When you exit at the top because you're just a chill guy. Yeah, literally entered. I took profits at like 26 ticks from my entry. So like, yeah, literally the top. Well, 25 ticks I took. Literally, I literally exited the market at literally the top. I was 1 tick off the top, which is great. Had 2 on my previous account, but ended up blowing it. I just passed another a few weeks ago, so building a cushion. Yeah, good stuff, Nate. Skate. But yeah, guys, that's going to be me for the session. There was a few entries there. I know a couple of guys in the community caught some shorts, which is great. Let me have a look. Yeah, let me have a look. So yeah, I know a few of the guys in the community took a few wins this session, which is great. But I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna just stay in the community, stay active there. So anybody here who's in the community, I'll update you with what's happening shortly. But for anybody on YouTube Live who's still trading the session, I wouldn't be looking to go long until you brought back above 2,700 or at least 26.98. So if you can get back above these 2 levels, then personally I think gold's going to continue higher into some highs above market. For example, you've got a decent level at 27.05 and you've got a decent level at 27.10. Something that's being created too is trendline liquidity. So if gold can get back above these levels, then yeah, any sort of longs into these highs is perfect. And keep in mind, look at the 4 hourly. The 4 hourly's created a double top or now a triple top liquidity. So for me on gold, any sort of break back above 2700, 2698, I'm going to be looking for them longs higher. But for now, I'm still going to be looking for shorts. But what I want to see is that range form. You know, give it like 30, 40 minutes. Let price create the range. And then if we can start getting back above like 27.98, you know, you've got a decent range. Now look at this range we've got. Good. Look at this range we're playing with now. Good. This is definitely the range that I have for now. Back above 26.98. Longs into the triple top. Longs into the trendline liquidity. Breaks back below 26.90. Shorts into this double bottom. So it's clear as day now. It's clear as day. You've got liquidity targets below. You've got liquidity targets above. Anything within this range, just stay away. Don't be looking to do anything here. Why these 2 levels? Well, look, you've got resistance, support. You've got resistance here, support here. Now acting as support. Any of these 2 levels, we get a close on any of these 2 levels, I'm looking to go long and short into my liquidity above and below, okay? So liquidity target there too, okay? Nice. So this is the range I've got. Everybody. Noel, Joe, can you explain the stream record, please? Is that for the week? No, this is for the stream record overall. I need to add some more. I need to put 1 break even on and 1 win. So it's actually 16 wins, 1 break even. So it's 5 break even, 16 wins. This is overall. This is overall wins, losses for the stream. Over about 40 streams, I think. 40, 50 streams. Let me just quickly, for the people interested in joining the community, I've just linked my website so you can join there, learn the full strategy, get involved with the members chats. Ask me. You've got my in the community. You've got my public username too, so you can ask me any questions. So if you do want to join it, I've just linked it in the comments. Join there. You've got the full course, trade breakdowns. You've got the full course, trade breakdowns, video chats. You've got the Zoom meetings that we have 2 or 3 times a week. You can learn the full strategy there, get profitable, start your real journey today. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Skate has put, thanks Joe mate. Skate, no worries bro, see you in the next one. But yeah, for now, playing within this range. I won't be looking to trade short until we get below here, or longs before we get above here for now. If gold continues to range within here and creates me some different levels, then yeah, I'll trade it. But for now, this is what we are working with, okay? Yeah, Naz, you too, mate. Have a good weekend. We had a good turnout today. We had like 160 total viewers, which were good. Decent. 160 people. So yeah. Well, thanks for everyone for tuning in. Like I said, drop us a like, drop us a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. But that's what I'm seeing for now. But yeah, I've taken 8 positions this week. 8 positions in ranging markets. I know gold has been vertical, but there's been days where it's just tracked sideways. Like there were 2 days where it tracked sideways. For our sessions, not for the Asia session. The reason you're seeing it bullish is because the Asian session were bullish. But for the New York and the London session, 2 days were sideways. You can see that day yesterday. Look, yesterday, Thursday, our session tracked sideways. Asian session, and then you had a little bit of sideways movement on Tuesday. But other than that, we've caught 8 positions, profitable week. I think around 100 ticks up for the week, maybe. Maybe, actually, what we up? Let me have a look. 54, 79. Oh, then add the 16. 50. It'd be around half risk was 24.12. About 80 ticks for the week up, which is decent. Yeah, 80 ticks for the week up, not bad. I just need to journal 2 positions. Yeah, but all good. I'm going to head off anyway, guys. I'm going to head off, guys, in a bit. Peace.